I have a lot of hydraulic cylinders on the backhoe, on the tractor, on the grapple, on jacks and lifts. So I thought a Gland nut wrench set might come in handy someday. And this is the OMT Professional Gland Nut Wrench Set. Orion Motor Tech. The smaller of the two Gland nut wrenches is suitable for a 1/2 inch drive and Gland nuts that are 1 to 1 3/4 inch. Very ruggedly built. And the larger of the two Gland nuts wrenches, look at this, is for Gland nuts from 2 to 6 inches. That's a pretty monstrous hydraulic cylinder, a 6-incher. I think my wood splitter has something in that order. Comes with a couple of Allen wrenches. So that's the OMT Professional Gland Nut Wrench Set.